Alrighty guys, welcome back to some Pokemon. I have no idea where we left off. It has been a very long time since I've been able to play this game. There we go. I have no idea at all where we're supposed to be going. So I looked it up, and I just closed it on accident. Let me open it back up. So after we beat we beat the third gym with Watson. I'm actually not pushing those buttons. It thinks I am, but I'm not. It's kind of funny. So after we've done stuff in Mauville City and we go up to all those places, we go to Meteor Falls next, is what it looks like. So I'm pretty sure we've already fought all these guys, right? I'm pretty sure anyway, we've already done all of this stuff. Considering the fact that we're supremely higher level than these guys. What is in here? Rustin Turf? I don't remember if I did this. Yeah, I did. And now we're back in Verdant Turf City, and I think... Nope, this is not where it wants me to be. Not at all. Alright then. I might have actually already done all of this. Guys, this is what happens when you don't know what you're doing. Now 117, I've already fought all these guys. This is a daycare. Mauville City again. Okay, so let's have a look at our map, shall we? So we're in Mauville City. There's Lava Ridge Town. There's Fallerbroar. I think that's where I'm supposed to be. I think so. We'll see. Because we're at 114 and Meteor Falls. Okay, let's go there. Because I don't know if I've already done that or not. Since it is a little bit I remember doing some of this stuff. Oh. What the heck? That's an alarm. Good. I don't want 12, I don't want to go that way. Apparently I do want to go that way. What is this place? Mount Chimney Cable Car? Yes, I will take the cable car. Because why not? This little animation here is kind of funny. What is up with these guys? Huh. Just makes everyone would be happy if they could land. Building a house on hard and lava would not be fun for kids. If they fell, they'd totally, get really scratched up. Zubat and Minimal. Supersonic. You missed. Good. Alright. Magnitude 7. Oh, wow. And again, Ariana with the stupid beeping. Ariana, you better freaking die this time, okay? Or not. Tribute to level 27. Yay! Ben grew level 20. Which one is Ben? Oh, Ben is my fire Pokemon. I dream of a big house. It's not gone yet. Do I have anything to heal up? There you go. You're too late. I've already delivered the meteorite from Meteor Falls. The admin. I don't know which one would be more powerful, so let's use that one. It's not very effective, okay. Let's do a headbutt. Headbutt seems to do pretty good, so let's do another one. Alright, do it, get it, good. Good level 23. Nope, I won't change Pokemon. So if all you guys have heard of Numa, then we'll take him out pretty easy. Although Magnitude is pretty powerful stuff. Here's with Sean. Let's try Bubble Beam. It's super effective and critical. Woohoo! Pidgeana. Yeah. Let's go with the Treebeard for now. You missed? What? Why would you miss? Give me some of your health back, boy. Silly creatures. No, stop missing, you punk butt. Thank you. Zubat, no, but I won't change. Is Zubat seriously your high-end Pokemon? I guess that's cool. Oh wow. That did a lot of damage. I was not expecting that. Mash in the A button, because I think it makes the things go faster. Okay. Amplifying its power with this machine on Junior's volcanic activity will be awesome and whatnot. Must be you. So you're going to ring with us, Team Magma? Now, you listen, long ago, things were blah 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 blah. Oh no. I don't care. Yes, teach me the things that mess them in the grand design, and I'll just squash your face. Alrighty, my Tiana. We have Abby here. We will use Confusion. What? Oh, he's a dark type, right? Okay, let's switch back to Trigger then. Yep, and now Tribute is gone. Bye, Tribute. Let's try out Mark. I don't think I'm gonna survive this battle, guys. I don't quite think I knew what I was getting into when I got into this. Oh, but I burned him. That's nice. That's nice. Oh no, no! Oh well, yeah, at least you can use a full restore. Get hurt by the burn. It's okay, you did a good job. Let's send out Evelyn. Hurt by its burn. Let's give you a leech seed. No, don't you flinch, you stupid punk. No! You are worthless, Evelyn. Worthless. Good, now I can actually hit you. No! This has been super bad, guys. This is he just almost one-shotted me. I'm pretty sure Zubat is weak to this guy, and this guy is my strongest Pokemon. Or this gal, I guess. Thank you. Oh man. Let's try for Mark, because Camerupt is a water or a fire Pokemon, so let's try water on him. Good, good. Let's just do it again. Nicely done. Okay, so even though we were pretty much one-shotted, the entire team, I didn't do that bad. Maxi. What? Maxi was caught off guard? Yeah, thank you for giving me 2,000. No, Mark, you don't get to evolve. We already decided this. I need a freaking Everstone, guys. Where do I get an Everstone? Say obtaining an orb. Blah blah blah. Thank you. With your help, we thwarted Team Magma's destructive plans. But whose side are you on? Doesn't matter. We remain vigilant and keep our pursuit of Team Magma. We shall meet again. Cool. Do you want to remove the meteorite? Yes. Put the meteorite in the key items pockets. Okay. There aren't any other items up here. Well, that's no fun. Huh. Don't you sell the lava cookies? Yeah. What was done this way? Jagged Pass? I do not want to take the Jagged Pass right now, because I will die. So, I'm gonna look real quick on here and find out what the heck I'm supposed to be doing. Meteorite. So my guess is I already went to Meteor Falls. I don't remember me going to Meteor Falls, but apparently we did. And then, yeah, I don't even know what just happened, guys. I don't even know what happened. Well, we did Mount Chimney. We beat the crap out of these guys. It's pretty easy. We can go down to Lava Ridge. And Flannery is the gym leader down there. I almost seem like I've done that gym too, but I haven't. Okay, so we're gonna go back down this thing. We're gonna get healed up, and then we're gonna go back up to the Jagged Pass. And next time, we're just gonna fight all of the trainers on Jagged Pass. Just kind of try and get my Pokemon a little bit more evenly done. You know? Route 112. Oh. Have I already been here? I have already been here. I thought I was going to go to the city. Apparently not. That's the way to follow Town. I want to get to Lava Ridge. Oh, apparently I can only get there by going down that path. Okay. Huh. Shows how much I know. Hey, old lady. Make me healthy again. Do I have Pokemon? No, not that. Yeah, Pokemon are fine. So let us go back to the top of that ridge, shall we? And next episode, we'll just, yeah, we'll just do that, basically. Go through and get all our Pokemon all leveled up and stuff. Thank you. No! I don't want you, Numel. I know Camerupt is a good fire Pokemon, but I don't like using my enemy's Pokemon, okay? Cable car is ready to go up. Please stop this way. And then I go up and up and up and up. And then we're going to be at the top, and Lava Ridge Town is just down Jagged Mountain Pass. And we'll start this, guys, next time. Hope you enjoyed. I know it's a little bit shorter of a episode, but I think this means I've been playing for 29 hours. That is a long time to be as short as we are. So, yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you later. Don't break too much. Bye.